up, guys? Welcome to another vlog. Today is an exciting day where you get to put. I'm gonna put the roll cage in the Civic. So my friend Corey is here from Jamaica, so he's gonna help me install the roll cage in the Civic. So guys, this is the complete package, the complete roll cage setup. As I say, I will leave the link in the description so you guys can check it out if you want it for your car. And comes with what, 6 pieces. Yeah, and then some bolts and plate. So we're gonna see if we can get off all this. Right. This big one. Right, so let's get off all the wrap and then install time. So we're up in the air now, guys. All jacked up and jack stand. Ready to install the roll cage. It's so hot today, but you know, this is Florida, so what's new, right? So let's get that going. Let's install the front first and then oh, okay. Oh, you're putting this one first?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, so we do this side first and then.
So, basically because of the bar there.
Which bar? Oh, this one, yeah.
Can't go out no further. So we'll take out the bar there.
Alright, put this one in. Alright. This first. Oh, this side. Okay.
Get out one of the next one. Okay, don't take it.
Yeah. So better we install and then take it back out. This thing. Yeah, because. So how you did with your visor here, sir?
No visor.
No visor.
Don't work anymore.
No to visors. So guys, your visors don't work anymore, right? So just take that into consideration. So guys, we have to remove this part. And these don't come in the Japanese.
No.
Just American.
Yeah.
One more right there. Yeah. Let me get pass the ratchet handle over there, so another bag. This way. So finally, we got these off after about one bolt giving us a lot of trouble. So hold up the pipe on that one. Oh, the pipe, yeah. Alright. So let's go again, guys. So we're installing the one that goes across now. If you guys want, you can leave your visors. We're gonna leave ours or take it out, but we're gonna leave ours. So if you guys want, you can leave it. So far, looking good. You know, safety first. When you're trying to run that 9-second.
Alright.
See how it looks, guys.
Push back that lens.
Oh, this one go to the back? Okay.
So you push it.
And this.
No, you work with it.
Oh, do the back first,
Yeah.
and then, yeah.
So once
So
you mount the
I'll
back-
mark it.
Well, you can basically start this side right now and drill down, catch plate them underneath and catch both them.
Is it 3 or 4?
3.
Oh, 3. Okay.
Because the pole
Oh
is
yeah, the
one
corner.
of-
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna drill right here now, and then put in the plates, guys. All right. Wow. Guess they're all that.
One. Alright.
You want?
Go underneath and get the plate then.
Yeah, but do you want me to just go for the carpets in there? You just bore them and then go for the car and put the plate.
Oh man, we'll do this first and then
And then after?
Carry 112 cup.
12 boy. Yeah. So guys, this is the outcome, and as I said, it's just a mock-up basically because I'm gonna put in the carpet. So I'm gonna remove all the bolts after. See around the back, everything is installed. So what you guys need to remember, whenever you install this completely, you have to seal under here, and then you do your undercoat. Use your undercoat because water, you can't allow water to get in within these bolts and stuff. But apart from that, let's say Corey, look good?
Yeah, man.
Yep. This is my favorite part now, guys. Looking from the front. Close that door. Let's see. Look at that, guys. Yeah. This is my favorite part. And then the side view. Yeah. Wow. So there you have it, guys. Easily installed. Respect, Corey. Couldn't do this without you. Yeah, guys. So the next video is gonna be waiting on the transmission to come back from Dale, and then yeah, big up Trinidad. Yeah, and when I get that, I can assemble the engine, and then so the next video you'll see will be the engine going into the car and stuff. So we're getting there, guys. So yeah, guys, there you have it. EK coming together, all-wheel drive EK coming together. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and remember hit that notification bell so you know when we drop a new video. All right, guys, respect, Mad Squad.